Yo, you need to stop doing this if you want to make money and live good. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, there is no secret that Live Good is one of the most popular online business, network marketing, affiliate marketing opportunity out there right now. Thousands of people are joining Live Good every single week. Now, with that being said, with all these people in Live Good, thousands upon thousands, there are a lot of people who are not making any money in Live Good. And I think I know why. All right. And I'm going to break it down real simple. People are over complicating it straight up. And like, I don't even blame new people. Well, a little bit, but like, here's the thing. When it comes to Live Good, you know, you see all these videos, you see all these Facebook groups and this and that, and everybody trying to get people to join a team, which is cool. But then when they get on the team, they're like, okay, well, you got to do this. You got all of these webinars to attend, all these trainings to attend, right? And that could be beneficial to, I guess, new people. But sometimes people get overwhelmed with all of this, you know what I'm saying? All of the hoopla that's around Live Good because it's so popular right now, right? A lot of people in the industry talking about it. And so people get involved, super excited, but then they lose their excitement when all these people are telling them all these things they need to do. You need to do this, you need to do this, you got to do this, you got to do that. And people just like, damn, I don't know what to do. It's like that information overload where ultimately people get fed so much information they end up doing nothing or very little. All right. So the key is to stop complicating shit. Like, it's Live Good is super simple. All right. Ultimately, you can promote it two ways, right? One is promote the companies based off of their products, right? Go out there and try to get people invested in the products, right? The second way is the business opportunity. Now, to be honest with you, I would say 90% of Live Good affiliates, they start off promoting the actual business opportunity. All right. So you have to decide, what do you feel more comfortable promoting, the product side of it or the business side of it? All right. Now, to be honest with you, you probably want to start with the business opportunity first. And when you do that, you're going to have one link that you need to promote. One. And that is the tour page link. All right. This is the link that you get when you join, you become an affiliate. And what you need to do is put that link in as front as many potential customers or affiliates as you can. That's it. Period. End of story. And that's cool as hell. All the trainings and webinars, that's dope. You know what I'm saying? I might be part of them someday. But ultimately, if you want to be successful with Live Good, get that tour page link and share it. Don't sell it. Share it to as many people as you can. Hey, you on Facebook. You a Facebook person. Use Facebook. You know what I'm saying? Make Facebook reels. Make 1 or 2 reels a day, right? Make 1 to 2 posts a day about Live Good. Something about Live Good, right? Mixed in with your normal posts, right? But if you're in TikTok, make a TikTok video. Put your, damn it, I don't like TikTok, but I'm just telling you, right? YouTube, I'm a YouTube dude. So you can create shorts, or you can create short videos just like this, and you invite people to your Live Good tour page. You're basically saying, hey, take the Live Good tour, right? And if they watch that video, once they go to that page, if they watch that whole video and they don't even at least pre-enroll, if they don't even put their email in, then they're not about that life. They're not hip to the network marketing. They're not into affiliate marketing, point blank, period. But your job is to put your link out there, however you can put it out there, right? So, and I know a lot of people, like, they look for excuses not to be successful in whatever they're doing. So it's almost like, oh man, Live Good ain't work because, you know, I couldn't get my website built, or I couldn't get my flyers done. I couldn't find the right design. That's your fault. You overcomplicating it. Straight up, you can get simple flyers that's already made. All you gotta do is order them, right? Or when it comes to your web link, you already got the web page. All you have to do is put it in front of people. That is it, right? And then another thing people gonna say, well, yeah, I've been putting my link out there and I'm not getting no pre-enrollees or only got a couple pre-enrollees, right? So is Live Good whack because of that? No. That should tell you to make some small changes. Switch it up a little bit, right? So whatever kind of videos you was posting on YouTube, try a different style, right? Switch up your post on Facebook. Maybe switch up the flyer layout. But you don't got to do all this complicated shit, and you got to feel like you got to do meetings, and you got to attend webinars, and you got to buy all of these books, and you got to master the mind and manipulation. No. You just put your affiliate link in front of people. Invite people to check out the Live Good opportunity. That's it. Stop complicating things, right? Stop complicating things. It might take you a week to get your first sign up. It might take you 2 months. But this is a business opportunity. And this is something that if you're serious about, like really look at it long term. Because let's be real. Very few people is doing Live Good full time. They're making enough money to do it full time. So 9 times out of 10, you're already doing something else. Right? You got a job, part-time job, or you in school or whatever, you're doing something, right? So work Live Good as a side hustle until hopefully it could replace your income, whatever, right? But stop overcomplicating it. Trust me on that. Keep it simple, all right? Now, if you haven't joined Live Good yet and you want to hop on my team, which is popping right now, you already know, click that first link in the description and I will see you on the squad.